Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the cosmos. Whether you're a curious explorer, a science enthusiast, or someone who simply loves to ponder life's big questions, this is for you. Together, we'll dive into the mysteries of the universe, explore the nature of existence, and reflect on humanity's place in the grand scheme of things. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this adventure through space, time, and thought. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the night sky and asked big questions. What is out there? What is our place in all of this? Early civilizations saw gods, heroes, and stories written in the stars. They believed the heavens were a reflection of divine power. Today, science and philosophy continue to explore these questions. But instead of gods, we look for answers in the laws of physics, the nature of space, and the origins of life itself. This journey isn't just about the stars and galaxies. It's about us, our curiosity, our creativity, and our never-ending desire to understand the world around us. From ancient myths to modern telescopes, humanity's quest for knowledge has shaped our cultures, our technologies, and our very sense of identity. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we still don't know. And that's what makes this journey so exciting. Let's start by thinking about the scale of the universe. It's almost impossible to imagine. There are billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. And many of those stars have planets orbiting them. With so much out there, it's hard to believe that Earth is the only place with life. But if life exists elsewhere, why haven't we found it yet? And if we are alone, what does that mean for us? These are the kinds of questions we'll explore together. Let's take a closer look at the universe itself. What is it, really? Is it infinite? Or does it have an edge? These are questions that have puzzled humans for centuries. In ancient times, people believed the universe was controlled by gods or spirits. The sky was a realm of mystery, and the stars were seen as divine beings or messages from the gods. But over time, our understanding changed. Thinkers like Copernicus and Galileo showed us that the Earth is not the center of the universe. Instead, we are just one small part of a much larger system. Today, we know that the universe is made up of galaxies, stars, planets, black holes, and something called dark energy. It's a complex and ever-changing place. One of the biggest questions in cosmology is how the universe began. The most widely accepted theory is the Big Bang, which suggests that the universe started as a tiny, incredibly dense point and has been expanding ever since. But what caused the Big Bang? And what was there before it? These are questions that scientists are still trying to answer. Some theories go even further. For example, the idea of a multiverse suggests that our universe might be just one of many. Imagine a vast ocean of universes, each with its own laws of physics and its own unique story. It's a mind-bending idea, but it's one that some scientists take seriously. Another fascinating concept is the idea of multiple dimensions. We experience the world in 3 dimensions: length, width, and height, plus time. But some theories, like string theory, suggest there could be many more dimensions that we can't see. These extra dimensions might be curled up so small that they're invisible to us, but they could play a crucial role in the fabric of reality. As we explore the universe, we also discover how little we know. For example, we've learned that space is expanding, and it's doing so at an accelerating rate. But what is it expanding into? And what does that mean for the future of the universe? These are mysteries that keep scientists up at night. Let's talk about the balance between order and chaos. The universe is a place of both. On one hand, we see incredible patterns and structures. Planets orbit stars in predictable paths. Galaxies form beautiful spirals. And the laws of physics seem to work the same way everywhere we look. On the other hand, there's also chaos. Stars explode, galaxies collide, and at the smallest scales, particles behave in unpredictable ways. Ancient philosophers tried to make sense of this balance. In China, the concept of yin and yang described the harmony between opposites, light and dark, order and chaos. In ancient Greece, thinkers like Heraclitus believed that change was the only constant, while others, like the Stoics, saw a rational order behind everything. Modern science has given us new ways to understand this balance. Physics explains the orderly motion of planets and stars, but quantum mechanics shows us that at the smallest scales, things are far from predictable. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, and their behavior can only be described in terms of probabilities. Chaos theory takes this idea even further. It suggests that even small changes can have huge effects over time. This is often called the butterfly effect. The idea that a butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world could eventually cause a hurricane on the other side of the planet. In the universe, this means that even tiny fluctuations in the early moments of the Big Bang could have led to the vast structures we see today. So, is the universe orderly or chaotic? The answer might be both. On a large scale, there are patterns and rules that seem to govern everything. But on a smaller scale, there's a lot of randomness and unpredictability. This balance between order and chaos is one of the most fascinating aspects of the cosmos. Let's turn our attention to humanity's place in all of this. Where do we fit into the universe? Are we just a random accident? Or is there something special about us? Different cultures and traditions have answered this question in different ways. Many religions teach that humans were created for a purpose, and that our lives are part of a larger plan. Science, on the other hand, tells us that we are the result of natural processes, evolution, chemistry, and the laws of physics. But what if life exists elsewhere in the universe? The Drake equation is a way of estimating how many intelligent civilizations might be out there. It takes into account things like the number of stars, the likelihood of planets, and the chances of life developing. The result suggests that there could be thousands or even millions of civilizations in our galaxy alone. But if that's true, why haven't we found any evidence of them? This is known as the Fermi paradox. Some scientists think that advanced civilizations might destroy themselves before they can travel to other stars. Others believe that alien life might be so different from us that we wouldn't even recognize it. And some think that we might be alone, that Earth is the only place in the universe where life has evolved. If we do discover life beyond Earth, it would change everything. It would redefine our understanding of biology, evolution, and even our place in the universe. But even if we never find alien life, the search itself is important. It reminds us of how much we still have to learn, and it inspires us to keep exploring. Let's consider the nature of time and reality. What is time? Is it real? Or is it just something we experience? Albert Einstein's theory of relativity showed us that time is not fixed. It can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving, or how strong gravity is. For example, a clock on a fast-moving spaceship would tick more slowly than a clock on Earth. Some philosophers argue that time is an illusion, a way for our brains to make sense of the world. Others think of time as a dimension, like length or width. In the quantum world, things get even stranger. Particles can exist in two places at once, and events can happen in ways that defy our everyday understanding of cause and effect. If time isn't as straightforward as we think, what does that mean for reality? Could our experience of the universe be just one version of many? These are questions that challenge our understanding of what it means to exist. Finally, let's think about the future of the universe. What will happen to it in the end? Scientists have proposed several possibilities. One is the Big Freeze, where the universe keeps expanding until everything is cold and dark. Another is the Big Crunch, where gravity pulls everything back together in a massive collapse. And then there's the Big Rip, where dark energy tears the universe apart. Some theories even suggest that black holes might be gateways to other universes. instead of being the end of matter. They could be the seeds of new cosmic beginnings. It's a fascinating idea, and one that shows how much we still have to learn about the cosmos. The universe is a place of endless wonder. No matter how much we learn, there will always be more to discover. Science, philosophy, and spirituality all try to explain the cosmos, but each approach gives us a different piece of the puzzle. Our journey through the universe is also a journey through ourselves. It's a story about curiosity, creativity, and the desire to understand. As long as we keep asking questions, the journey will never end. And that's what makes life and the universe so extraordinary. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the cosmos. I hope this exploration has sparked your curiosity and given you a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of the universe. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering about the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. Thank you for watching.